Hey, good Friday morning, everyone. Meteorologist Doug Hetty. I want to update you on actually this, video maybe a little bit on the long side. I want to go through the weekend forecast, what's going to happen next week, plus your month-long forecast, which I always do at the beginning of each month. And then, you can always find my long-range forecast on my blog. But also, I want to give you, at the end of after the month-long, a few examples of what's going on with the pattern to keep you updated on that, of course. First off, tonight, if you're going to be out, or this morning, watch out for the fog, especially on the Missouri side. It's going to be very thick across the region. Visibilities will be fairly low, southwestern Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, but as the southerly winds start to pick up a little bit, it should start to clear out a little bit. Probably early morning, which is good, as we continue to watch our next wave roll in. Here's our system to give us all the rain over the past couple days, but look right behind it, another wave. It's very weak, but it does have some light showers. It's going to push some light showers through during the morning hours, and then right behind it, another storm system that keeps stacking up, and that's what we've been seeing over the past couple weeks. So let's go through time. Through the morning hours, some light showers rolling through. I really think these are gone by 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning, and then we'll break out partly sunny skies. It's not going to be bad. It's going to be a little bit on the chilly side. 51 by noon, high temp of 57 degrees. Southerly winds kick back in. Tonight, high school football will be fine. It's just going to be chilly, but as these southerly winds kick back in, we will see temperatures quite a bit warmer on Saturday, which is great. We should shoot into the upper 60s. Look at our front. You got north winds here, you got south winds here, so right in the middle, that's where our front is. Showers, even a few thunder showers will develop along the front Saturday night into Sunday morning, and then cooler again behind it as we head into Sunday. So here's your 7-day forecast. First 57 today, 67 on Saturday. Most of the day is going to be fine, but some thunderstorms work in after 8 p.m. Don't forget, set your clocks back 1 hour before you go to bed. You gain an extra hour of sleep. Unfortunately, it's going to start getting dark at about 5:15, which absolutely stinks. Morning showers Sunday. Next wave, showers roll in late Monday into Tuesday. Next wave, another system moves in by early Thursday. So let's break this down. This is based off my pattern, the Hetty pattern. We are in an El Nino this year. Each El Nino every year, or anytime we do have an El Nino, it's still different. It's not the same, but it's a fairly active pattern. It's a much wetter pattern than what we saw last year's pattern, and we do at least have the potential for bigger snows this winter, which is great because I'm a huge snow lover, so we're going to continue to watch that. So recapping next week, morning showers on Sunday, and then that next system late Monday into Tuesday, and then a system on Thursday. Usually when I say mild, I'm talking 60 or above, chilly, mainly 50s, cool, possibly 40s. Next weekend is a big weekend because Saturday and Sunday, that's kicking off deer hunting season, bow season. And it looks fine. Partly sunny skies. It's going to be mild on that Sunday. And the second full week is mainly mild, but we are going to have rain back in Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday a break, and then another system. You can see how active it is on that Friday and Saturday. Let's go into the third week. Now we're leading up to Thanksgiving. Cool start, but then mild temperatures, rain on Tuesday. Now with this system, I think we have the potential to get enough cold air that we could have snow mixing in or at least close to us. So we're going to watch that. Of course, Wednesday, a big travel day. Thanksgiving, Black Friday, fine, and then rain back in as we work into the weekend right after Thanksgiving. Last week, we kind of a lull. Mainly dry. It's going to be mainly cold and cool, so we're looking 30s, 40s, 50s, and then we'll start to see another system moving in right at the beginning of December, which would be December 1st. Now, let me pull out a few maps for you, and this is looking at the 500 millibar level, which is upper level map showing us. I like looking at these because I can see the storm systems. And then pulling out another map, this is kind of a projected precip. So let me kick through here. You can see our storm system on Saturday night. Front drops through, giving us a few showers. And then that next system, late Monday. So here's Monday evening into Monday night, and then Tuesday morning. So another one kicks on by. Here's something that's been interesting that I've been watching that I haven't seen in a while is our area of low pressures, our surface lows, they've been tracking near us, south of us, or deep south across Texas and Louisiana. That is a good thing for winter weather and snowstorms, because when I see these tracking that far south in October, I can kind of project it what it's going to do in December, January, and February. Let's go back to the upper levels. We're going to go all the way back to Monday. Here's another big key. I wrote about this on my last blog. So this is a storm system, but watch how it kicks out. So here's the one that rolled through Thursday morning. See how it's tilted back to the northwest? That means the system's maturing right on us, and we're seeing these waves track just south of us. You want to be on that north side to get winter weather, and we keep seeing this. Here's the one that's rolling through today. Matures really right on top of us, and then another system, you can see Sunday, also kind of tilted back to the northwest, kicks through, and then we can go into Tuesday's system, that same thing. So that's something I keep seeing. One thing interesting with El Nino, usually we get quite a bit of rain in the southwest, or at least potential, but we really haven't seen much of that. The storm systems are pulling into the Pacific Northwest and then dropping into the Central Plains. So, like I said, every El Nino is different, every La Nina is different, but looking through the cycle, because you remember the pattern started 6 weeks ago, but the cycle started well before that, a couple months ago. And so that's why I know I've known what the cycle length is now for a good solid 2 months, but it's reacting differently now because it's within that new pattern. Still the same cycle, but you see how the storm systems are reacting. So that's been the change over the past 6 weeks. So what that means is, I mean, I've known from several months we're going to have a much more active pattern. I see some good things with how the storm systems are tracking. Something that I've noticed that is not the best is a lot of times they're maturing just on top of us or a hair east, which may produce heavier winter weather just east of us. So that's something we'll keep our eyes on. But I definitely think we have our shots for bigger snows, possibly some ice storms through the winter. I'll do my winter forecast here probably in 2 or 3 weeks. I'll figure it out and let you know. All right, guys, if you have any questions, make sure you can Facebook me or put comments here on the blog. And have a great Friday. Of course, it's almost the weekend. Love the weekend.